Can I find true inner peace in just one day? If you're anything like me, you've probably been searching for that elusive sense of calm and serenity in today's crazy world. Aura Wellness is here to help you find your inner peace. And in this video, we'll explore how you can start feeling more relaxed, centered, and at peace, no matter what's going on in your life. Life can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Stress, anxiety, and feelings of disconnection are all too common. You might feel like you're constantly running on a treadmill, getting nowhere fast. Or maybe you're just feeling drained, like you're barely keeping your head above water. These feelings can be exhausting, and it's hard to know where to turn for help. Sometimes it feels like the world is moving too fast, and we're just trying to keep up. It's like we're losing ourselves in the process. Aura Wellness is a powerful approach to finding inner peace. It's based on the idea that our energy and emotions are closely linked, and that by working with our energy, we can find more balance and harmony in our lives. One simple technique is to focus on your breath, letting go of any thoughts or worries. Another is to practice gratitude, taking a moment each day to appreciate the good things in your life. You can also try a simple meditation technique, like visualizing a peaceful scene or repeating a calming phrase to yourself. These techniques are easy to learn and can be done anywhere, at any time. I'd like to share a powerful testimonial from someone who's experienced the benefits of Aura Wellness. I was feeling really stuck and stressed, but after trying some of the Aura Wellness techniques, I felt like a weight had been lifted off my shoulders. I was able to approach my problems with a clear mind and a sense of calm. Let's take a deep breath together and imagine ourselves in a peaceful place. Feel the air moving in and out of your body and let go of any tension or stress. As you exhale, imagine any worries or concerns leaving your body. In summary, Aura Wellness offers a powerful approach to finding lasting inner peace. By working with your energy and emotions, you can find more balance and harmony in your life. With Aura Wellness, you can start feeling more relaxed, centered, and at peace, no matter what's going on in your life. If you're interested in learning more about Aura Wellness, I encourage you to visit the Aura Wellness website, where you can download a free guide and start your journey to inner peace. You can also subscribe to my channel for more wellness tips and videos. Let me know in the comments below, what are some of your favorite techniques for finding inner peace?